If you've ever wanted to grow your own fresh food, you're in the right place. There's nothing quite like harvesting crisp veggies and vibrant herbs straight from your backyard. Raised beds are the perfect starting point for new gardeners, and even seasoned growers love them for their versatility and ease. Think of them as big garden boxes filled with rich, custom soil. No matter how poor your yard's dirt is, you get to skip the struggle of digging into tough ground or dealing with rocky patches. With raised beds, you control the soil quality, giving your plants the best possible start. You can mix in compost, organic matter, and nutrients tailored to what you want to grow. They're easier on your back and knees since you don't have to bend as far. Gardening becomes more comfortable and accessible for everyone, no matter your age or ability. Fewer weeds sneak in thanks to the contained space and fresh soil. You'll spend less time weeding and more time enjoying your plants. The frame acts as a barrier, keeping grass and weeds out. It also helps define your garden space, making it look neat and organized. Raised beds warm up faster in spring, so you can plant earlier. That means a longer growing season and more harvests throughout the year. They drain well, preventing soggy roots and rot. Your plants will thrive with just the right amount of moisture. You get a mini ecosystem you can manage perfectly. It's easier to rotate crops, add beneficial insects, and keep everything healthy. It's a smart, rewarding way to begin your gardening adventure. You'll see results quickly, and your confidence will grow along with your plants. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and build your first raised bed together. You don't need fancy tools or a huge yard, just a little space and some enthusiasm. You'll be amazed at how simple and satisfying it is to create a thriving garden space of your own. Let's set you up for a successful, happy harvest. Grab your gloves, let's get growing. Before building, let's plan smart. A 4x8-foot bed is ideal, wide enough to reach the middle, long enough for variety. 12 inches high is a great start for most veggies. Go taller if you want a bench effect. Cedar or redwood last longest, but pine works if you're on a budget. Just make sure it's safe for food. Kits made from recycled plastic or metal are also good options. Pick a spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of sun. Most veggies love it. Make sure it's close to a water source for easy care. Avoid compacting the soil by never stepping inside the bed. Good planning now means less hassle later. Choose strong, safe materials and a sunny, convenient location. That's the foundation for a thriving garden. Let's gather what we need. No fancy tools required, just some basics you might already have at home or can easily borrow from a neighbor. You'll need a tape measure for accurate measurements, a drill or screwdriver for fastening, and a handsaw if your boards aren't pre-cut. The handsaw is especially handy for trimming boards to the perfect length, ensuring a snug fit. Don't forget a level to keep everything straight, plus a hammer or mallet for tapping pieces into place. Always wear gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes while working. For a standard 4x8 raised bed, pick up 6 8-foot 2x6 boards. These will form the sturdy frame of your garden bed. 4 boards will make up the long sides of your bed, giving you plenty of growing space. Cut the remaining 2 boards in half to create the short ends. This way, everything fits together perfectly. Use deck screws for assembly. They're rust-resistant and designed to withstand outdoor conditions, keeping your bed strong for years. Save some cardboard boxes to line the bottom of your bed. This acts as a natural weed barrier and helps keep your soil healthy. Before you start building, organize your tools and materials in one spot. This simple step makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. Choose quality lumber and sturdy screws for a bed that will last season after season, even through tough weather. Cardboard is a free, effective way to block weeds and can be found in most households. Just remove any tape or labels before using. With everything ready and organized, you're set for a quick, satisfying build that will set the stage for a thriving garden. Gather your supplies, double-check your list, and let's get building. Your garden adventure is about to begin. Simple tools, smart materials, and a little prep go a long way toward making your project a success. With your tools and materials in hand, you're almost ready to create your garden masterpiece. Let's get started. Time to build. Lay out 2 8-foot and 2 4-foot boards to form a rectangle. Place the short boards inside the long ones for a true 4x8 frame. Drill pilot holes and use deck screws to secure each corner. Repeat for all 4 corners. Take your time to keep it square. Stack the second layer of boards directly on top, lining up the edges. Secure the top layer to the bottom with screws every couple of feet along the long sides and at the corners. This double layer gives you a sturdy, 12-inch high bed. Don't overdo the screws, just enough for strength. Step back and admire your solid, simple frame. You've built the foundation for your garden in no time. It's satisfying, isn't it? Next, let's get it in place and ready for planting. Move your frame to that sunny spot you picked. Make sure it's exactly where you want it. Once filled, it's tough to move. Use a level to check all sides. Adjust by digging or propping as needed. Lay a thick layer of cardboard inside, overlapping edges and removing tape. This smothers weeds and grass, creating a clean slate for your garden. The cardboard breaks down over time, adding organic matter and attracting earthworms. Earthworms help aerate and enrich your soil naturally. This simple step sets up your bed for long-term success. A weed barrier, soil builder, and worm magnet, all in one. Prep done right means less work later. Your bed is now ready for the magic ingredient soil. Let's fill it up. The real secret to a thriving raised bed, it all starts with the perfect soil mix. Healthy soil is the foundation for strong, productive plants, and getting it right makes all the difference. Use the 1/3 mix, that's 1/3 compost, 1/3 peat moss, or coconut coir, and 1/3 vermiculite or perlite. Compost feeds your plants with essential nutrients and helps build rich, living soil. Peat moss or coir holds moisture, keeping roots hydrated even on hot days, and helping prevent your soil from drying out too quickly. Vermiculite or perlite keeps things light and airy, improving drainage and making it easier for roots to grow deep and strong. For a standard 4x8 bed, you'll need about 1.2 cubic yards of this mix to fill it up. Measure carefully so you have enough to reach the top. To save money and make use of yard waste, fill the bottom third of your bed with logs, branches or leaves, hugelkultur style. This technique not only recycles organic material, but also adds nutrients and improves soil structure as it breaks down over time, creating a thriving ecosystem below the surface. Mix your soil ingredients thoroughly on a tarp or in a wheelbarrow for even distribution, making sure everything is well blended for consistent results. Fill the bed all the way to the top. Don't worry if it looks a little full at first. The soil will settle a bit after watering, so it's better to start with a little extra. Water thoroughly to help the soil settle in and eliminate any air pockets, giving your plants the best start possible. You've just created a nutrient-rich, well-balanced home for your plants, full of life and ready for growth. The right soil means healthier, more productive veggies, and fewer problems with pests and disease. Take a moment to appreciate your work. With your bed prepped and your soil perfected, you're ready to plant and watch your garden thrive. Your raised bed is ready. Let's plant and start your gardening adventure. Start with easy crops. Lettuce, spinach, kale, radishes, or bush beans are all great choices for beginners. Carefully follow seed packet instructions for depth and spacing to give your plants the best start. Use your finger or a stick to make holes, drop in seeds, and cover gently. Water gently after planting to settle the soil. Label your rows with craft sticks so you remember what's where as your garden grows. Watch as seedlings pop up and your garden comes to life with fresh green growth. As you gain confidence, try new crops or add another bed to expand your harvest. Gardening is about learning, growing, and enjoying the process every step of the way. You've built, filled, and planted your first raised bed. Congratulations. Keep experimenting and growing new things. This is just the beginning of your gardening journey, with so much more to discover. Happy gardening and see you next time for more tips and inspiration.